Hi Asad, this is Biplav speaking, and this is my daily checklist video. Today I started my work in the morning at 9 a.m. and first of all I check my all Google my mail all, and then I go to create ad in KGG and done of my KGG ad, and then I go to my regular work. That was you assigned for us today. The assigned was Gold Crest. I work on Gold Crest. I have got a lot of product. Today I work on ABM, and I got some many product, but most of them are request approval. I set it on request approval of Gold Crest product, and at last I got 3 products of them. I have got many products, but all are maximum are already taken. So and today the Gold Crest site is not opening, so I cannot check out the Gold Crest site. So please check out on that channel, and tomorrow I will check if it is open tomorrow, then I will check that. Okay, I also check out our Uber and check out. There I have no information actually. So that's all today's work. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.